your life for one day and you could be outrageous, what would you do? So, kung merong isang araw na pwede kong gawin kung anong gusto ko, pupunta ako ng grocery, kukunin ko lahat ng gusto ko, tapos I'll make sure na sarado yung grocery. Ako lang tao doon. Yun yung gagawin ko. What for you is the essence of being a woman? For me, the essence of being a woman is to give protection. Alam naman nating lahat na ang mga babae ang nakakapagprotekta sa atin. Sila ang ilaw ng ating tahanan at sa kanila tayo kumukuha ng lakas. Let's make believe that all of a sudden you had $1 million. What's the first thing you would buy and why would you buy it? Ako, personally, gusto ko ng bahay. Gusto ko ng comfort. Gusto ko na maayos na uuwian, maayos na tutulugan para sa amin ng pamilya ko. Masaya na ako doon. What is the most important lesson you've learned in your life and how would you apply it to your time as Miss Manila? I have learned that when you embrace your true authentic self, everyone, all of the blessings would suddenly pour sa harapan mo na mismo. Kung saan darating yung mga blessings, maging masaya ka lang palagi, maging masaya ka lang palagi. Why should you be the next Miss Universe? I think I should be the next Miss Universe because I believe I can be an ambassador for happiness, like I could spread happiness and positivity in the most natural way. At yun ang pinakakailangan natin ngayon. Kailangan masaya lang tayo ngayon. Lagi, araw-araw. If a man from the moon landed in your hometown, what would you do to entertain him? Ayun, katulad na sinagot ni Miss Universe Gloria Diaz. Kahit kung anong usual na ginagawa ko lang, naglilinis man ako ng bahay, kung ano man, kasi syempre, ang tagal niyang nasa moon, for sure, gusto niya ng change. Thank you.